A-Level Mathematics, OCR, C1.
From Wikibooks, the Open Content Textbooks Collection.
Please turn on your sound.
Introduction. This is the Core Mathematics Module 1 of the A-Level Mathematics book. This module assumes that you are familiar with some of the concepts of GCSE mathematics.
You are not permitted to utilize a calculator in the Core Mathematics 1 examination. Module contents
indices, inserts. You can use the sentence pause mode, shortcut.
Repeat the whole page if
Get more books.
Indices, inserts.
The indices.
Get more books.
Repeat the whole page if
Get more books.
Indices.
Get more books.
Repeat the whole page.
Get more books.
Indices, inserts.
The indices in this chapter heading refers to the power to which a number is raised.
Thus, x squared is a number with an index of 2.
This is never normally said, as people prefer the phrase x to the power of 2.
Likewise, surds is a heading that is not often used.
Occasionally you will be asked to give an answer in surd form. This implies that you should give the answer in terms of constants, trig functions, and square roots, instead of working out an imprecise decimal approximation. Occasionally you will be indices.
As you should know from GCSE, x by 3 is a shortening of x times x times x. As you should know from GCSE, x by 3 is a shortening of x times x times x.
In the same way, any number to the power of n is that number multiplied by itself n times. In the same way, any number to the power of n is that number multiplied by itself n times. To describe in more detail, in the expression x by 3, the x is referred to as the base and the 3 as the exponent. To describe in more detail, in the expression x by 3, the x is referred to as the base and the 3 as the exponent.
By always reducing the expression back to its basic parts, it is possible to come to conclusions about how to treat numbers raised to powers in algebra.
To describe in the same
as you should know from GCSE, x by 3 is a shortening of x times x times x.
In the same way, any number to the power of n is that number multiplied by itself n times. In the same way, any number to the power of n. Surds. What is the value of
problem,
solution,
polynomial, multiply,
division,
curve, quadrat,
complete, so,
the disk,
error bound,
abs,
inequality,
co-op,
Linear.
curve,
Curves.
degree,
Curves.
y,
Curves.
inter,
The circle.
equal,
Differential.
6,
derivative,
A-Level,
dividing and factoring,
A-Level Mathematics, OCR, C2.
Week 1. Im Flugzeug.
Entschuldigen Sie, wir haben Platz 9a und 9b.
Oh ja, einen Moment, bitte.
Guten Tag. Wir sind Tom und Kate Walker.
Guten Tag. Mein Name ist Becker.
Boris Becker?
Nein, leider nicht. Ich bin Klaus Becker.
Week 1. New words. Look at the words and read along and repeat.
Sie. Sie.
Sind.
In. Im. Wir. Haben. Haben. Ja. Ein. Und. Ja. Ein. Eine. Ein. Eine. Ein.
Bitte.